Ooh, yeah. Come here, Mr. Carp. What a cracker morning. Trying to catch myself the biggest cowfish the world has ever seen. Filthy carp. I've got carp crack on the hook. See how we go. Whee, big one over there. And jumping out of the water. We can get out on the boat and get a line in further, I reckon. A bit later on, when the sun comes up and the family wakes up. Beautiful. It's not the monster, but it's a little one.
He's dancing.
That didn't work. Okay, round 2, eh? Oh, what a cast. Well done. Sick. Alright, grab a seat and try and beat Mummy's.
Yeah, now
Steer the other way, that's it.
now this way. This way. Now this way.
Take us to those cliffs.
What?
Take us to the cliffs.
Dad, you don't.
Got all the way out here and we forgot the corn. Oh. Back to the corn. What a cast. Yeah.
No, something.
Oh.
This is not bad tangle. Not tangle.
We're gonna make contact.
No. What the hell? We're already here? Wait. What's this?
Sweet. Okay,
will be awesome right now. Some cold water and pizza.
Bring the water bottle right there.
But there's a cold.
no luck. It's getting bloody hot. Start heading back home now. There's a lot of water in there today. Beautiful. Come down to the local river down at the Onkaparinga here. Gonna get a line wet. What do you reckon? We're gonna catch a fish? Nice. You gonna catch a fish?
Yeah.
You gonna catch a fish?
Yes.
Nice.
But to catch the fish, we need the rods.
This is true. Let us get the rods. Oh, oh. Even got deck chairs.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that bloody schmozzle. How do I even sort that out? I just have to cut him. Yeah. Thought I had a couple of nibbles.
Oh yeah, that's kind of looks like it.
Yeah, there's fish in there. See him skimming across the...
Oh shit. Felt some few bites like what it was. Oh, is that thing going with yours? Nope.
Nah, that's sweet. Oh, Jesus Christ. Trout, yellowfin, mulloway in here, but we only got the cockles on, so we'll see. Might catch a fish and a mulloway. Chase after him. I think they're up this way now, up in the river now. What's that setup you got there, mate?
Just right there. This is my toy. So I'm sitting down, I'm holding it, and I'll go to sleep. And then when I do something, I'll quickly go. I mean, you know what?
That might work.
It might. I cannot get it in for 5 seconds without it getting... Not even a single nibble.
Yeah, I had a big one just then.
Yeah, it keeps on nibbling. I felt a big snack and then I instantly got it up and it disappeared. Yeah, big bugger.
Mm.
Trying it?
Fish on. Yeah, little brim. Little brim.
Oh, what the hell's
Hey!
Oh, you got a fish?
Got our fish. Little,
One back in or...
little brim.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, check.
Those bites hurt.
No, they're not too bad. Little brim. Alright, do you want to grab that, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate.
Sharp teeth, eh?
Yeah, see his little teeth?
Yeah. Can I hold
There he
him?
is. Alright, grab him tight around there. There he is. Not bad.
Sick.
Oh, alright, you gonna chuck him back, mate?
Yeah.
Chuck him in. Whoopa.
Whoopa.
Getting nibbles again. Fish on, I think. A little bastard fish. Hello, little Tommy. You're the ones that's stealing me bait. Hey, settle down. Oh, catch of the day. Ew. It is. Ah. Come here, mate. Look at him. He's your cue. Ciao. Oh, got some. Hey, fish on. Oh yeah, yeah. Keep tension on it. There you go. Okay. Reel him in. Slowly, slowly. That's it. Hey, bring him up. Another brim. Ew. Nice. She caught a fish.
What the fish? I like the purple on its fins.
Cool, eh? Oh, flies are starting to get bad.
Getting warmer.
It's heating up now.
Yeah. Oh, but the flies are pissing me off.
Hey, fish on. Oh no, it fell off. I got it on film though, it was another brim. Chuck him in. That's wicked. Nice, good throw.
Finally caught one.
That's wicked.
And it pulled
It was
off.
a good little size too. I was recording. That was sick. Now I want one.